Hello and welcome to the Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So cryptocurrencies erased its intraday gains after the US CPI inflation hovered near 4-decade high and was higher than the consensus expectations, triggering fresh fears of extended aggressive federal rate moves going forward. So Bitcoin slipped below $22,000 mark after the data. US stock futures plunged, reversing its gains after the key indices post gains in overnight trade amid optimism that the retail inflation will ease sooner than later. So cryptocurrencies have been strongly correlated with the move of S&P 500 and Nasdaq for the past few months. So IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 5% at 31,220 points. Bitcoin was recently trading at $21,680, down 3% in the past 24 hours. The largest cryptocurrencies were trading about $22,400 ahead of the inflation data. Ethereum, the second biggest crypto, was trading down by 5% at $1,660 in the similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded lower. The Ethereum merge is less than 2 days away from being completed. So cryptocurrencies also fell as the dollar index, which measures the strength of greenback against a basket of currencies, rebounded strongly after the release of inflation data. So the Labor Department on Tuesday reported its consumer price index that rose 8.3% in August from the same month a year ago, down from 8.5% that hit in July and from 9.1% in June, which was the highest inflation rate in the 4 decades. So if you talk about the core CPI numbers, which excluded the volatile energy and food prices, increased by 6.3% in August from a year earlier, up sharply, which was 5.9% rate in both June and July, a signal that broad prices pressures have strengthened. The FOMC meet going forward will be closely scrutinizing inflation data to determine whether to quicken or slow its pace of interest rate hike going forward. So Fed swap shows that 75 basis points hike for the September fully priced in after the release of consumer price index inflation data release. So on my left, Binance BNB was down 4.7%, was trading at $284. Polygon Matic is next in the list, down by 4.5% to trade at $0.87. Solana Sol was down by 4.7%, was trading at $36. Next on the list is Cardano's ADA token, was down by 7.8% and was trading at $0.47. Avalanche AVAX was also trading at $20, down 7.5%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 5.2% at $0.061. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.34, down 3.2%. Next on the list, the Shiba Inu was trading down by 6.8%. Last is Polkadot, was down by 7% to trade at $7. So let's get a technical perspective view from our technical expert, Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on 3.0 TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for inviting me here. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and we were talking about this thing that the price is already there on the resistance. So this is the resistance of 22,600, and just look at the momentum. The price is basically not able to give a breakout here. So there is a very high probability that we can see a level of 20,000 as well. So that is acting as a support level here. So yes, the price has already reached to the resistance, and now we might able to see a little bit downside, a little bit correction from here. So these are the levels for the Bitcoin, and if you look at the Ethereum, so let me just come to the Ethereum. Ethereum was also trading at the resistance of 1725, and we have seen a good fall as well yesterday. Yes, right. So it's just hovering around at this area, which is 1725, and now what we can expect a level of 1510 that is acting as a support level. So this is happening, the moment price reach to the resistance, we'll see a fall. So the price is not able to break the resistance level at the upper side. So this is something we can expect in the Ethereum. Now since almost the Bitcoin and the Ethereum is falling, so we can expect the similar thing from the IC15 index as well. So yes, it was trading at the resistance only. If you look at here, right, so this is the resistance, which is at 32,486, and you will see a further fall from here, and we can take resistance at 32,486, and we can take a support at 29,500. So this is, these are the levels for the IC15 index.